Hey Luna, what are we gonna make today?
Kombucha.
Yes!
Kombucha! Yum!
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Do you know why we drink kombucha?
Because it's delicious.
Yes.
It is delicious.
It is really good, yeah.
And also, it's probiotic, which means it's really good for your tummy. That's right. So should we make some?
We need a big jar, a big spoon.
That's right. And all you need are, most importantly, a SCOBY, which you can get from anyone who's already making kombucha, or health food shops. Ask if they will give you one of their SCOBYs. You also need a cup of sugar. This can be white sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar, any sugar you like. Then you need 10 caffeinated tea bags. We've got Earl Grey this time. And then we're also gonna use just a few fruit-based, non-caffeinated tea bags.
Nice.
To give it a delicious berry
Different
flavor.
yes.
Yeah, and these are berry this time. And boiling water.
How do we make this?
Okay, it's really easy. Sugar,
In the jar?
all in the jar. Tea bags.
This
Tea
one
bags,
as well?
go for it. Boiling water, oh yeah. Because basically what you're doing now is brewing tea.
Yeah.
Because the SCOBY is a bacteria that eats the sugar and, I don't know, somehow interacts with the caffeine. Someone will be
And
able
it
to
gives
tell us.
that really like distinguished kombucha taste, right?
It's a very distinguished taste. Do you mean distinct? Like
distinguished, but
Yeah.
also distinguished.
So what you want to make sure is the tea's really strongly brewed
Yeah.
and there's not sugar at the bottom.
Okay, yeah.
You want everything to be mixed in like a beautiful, very, very, very sweet, large cup of tea for a giant. We wait until it's brewed. Okay, once it's really cool enough, basically to get your hands in and pull all of the tea bags out.
Yep.
And now you pour the SCOBY with a little bit of old kombucha in as well. If you want to, you can top it all the way up to the widest point of your vessel
Yeah.
with cold water. So you have more kombucha.
Yeah.
Kombucha with children.
And then we just tie this around?
You tie it around like that, and then you leave it and start tasting it after 3 days.
Okay, now. Are you ready?
Anywhere between 3 and 10 days, depending on your weather, is when your kombucha is going to be fizzy, have a slight vinegary
Yeah.
scent and taste to it, and that's when it's going to be at peak probiotic deliciousness. The only thing you need to remember to do with kombucha, this sounds very weird, but you need to burp your SCOBY. It's going to rise to the top most likely, and you need to get the air bubbles out from underneath, so you burp it like a baby.
Well, cheers.
Hey.
I already drank it, but...
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers! I started to like kombucha because of you.
Well,
I never drank it before, but this is really good.
very, very influential.